Okay, so today we are discussing an amazing problem here. This problem is repeated in NEET 2019 and AIMS 2012. That means this type of problems are surprisingly asked in both the examinations previously. Now, let me discuss this question today here. It's very simple, very easy question, okay? So now let us go ahead. Okay, so here this is the question which is related to thermal conductivity. What do you mean by thermal conductivity? For example, I am considering any rod here. If you heat the rod at this end with the help of certain candle here, the heat is traveled from one end to the other end here. Heat travels from one end to other end, and this is called as heat current. Heat current is having other name also, that is called as rate of flow of heat or heat traveled per unit time, and it is also called as heat current here. So rate of flow of heat is directly proportional to area of cross section of the rod, and rate of flow of heat is directly proportional to temperature difference. Here temperature is high, here temperature is low, temperature difference. And rate of flow of heat is inversely related to the length of the body. The greater the length, the lesser is the rate of flow of heat. So if you join all these, finally you get this one here. And when you remove the proportionality, you will get a proportionality constant, that is called as coefficient of thermal conductivity. Then what is this coefficient of thermal conductivity? So if you take K to one side, the remaining parts will go to the other side here. You know quantity of heat or heat energy, both are same. It is measured in joules. Heat energy is measured in joules. So this is going to be joules per second here. Joules per second. Length is measured in meters. Area is measured in meters square. Temperature difference is having a dimensional identity which is represented with letter K. K is called as Kelvin. Absolute temperature is represented with the letter K here. So joule per second, length in meters, area in meters square, and temperature difference is given with 1 by K here. Meter square gets cancelled here. That's it. Meter square gets cancelled here. Then what is left? Joule per second is nothing but it's a unit of power. And power is measured in watts. Power is measured in watts. Okay. So it is watt, and this is going to be meter inverse and Kelvin inverse. Watts, meter inverse, Kelvin inverse. Okay. So this is going to be the first option is the correct answer. So this is frequently repeated in AIMS and NEET also. Thank you very much. All the best. Still writing, my dear? Okay. Proceed. So watt, meter inverse, Kelvin inverse. Thank you. This is my own hand. All the best.